we got really close yesterday, but we didn't manage to get all of the way, right? And that's frustrating for me because like I want it to work. It feels like we're really close, and yeah. So looks like the stream started on YouTube, so that's great. Okay. Okay. And so we are going to go ahead and we are going to try and rebuild our images. And I'm really hoping that this is going to work. So with that being said, now this is the issue that I filed in the quick start, and I was just like, okay, cool. I got this, and then they were just like, hey, there's some flexibility, but it's best to try and have things match. So like, it's possible the reason we were running into these errors is that we didn't have BLOSC on the ARM64 image, or sorry, container. So we're gonna go ahead and try and fix that. So, yeah, let's go ahead and try and fix that. Let's go. So first off thing that I want to do, Docker build X. Oh, I guess Dask on Kube on ARM. 5th time, please. Okay. Docker build X new. So here we go. There's this medium post. If we go down to the bottom, I really should just do this. This is like a startup task. Or really, I should fix my setup, but there's okay. Here we go. Oh, this one just does magic, which is to say it sets everything up for us so we can cross build. So cool. Then what we're gonna do here is okay. Oh, I guess but do on the magic from thing. From based on Docker file. So that's cool. So what we're gonna do though is we're gonna go into the Scratch directory, Dask Docker, and then we're gonna go into base Docker file, and we are going to we're gonna rip this out because we're just gonna use the pre-built python-blosc image. And that's gonna be the plan. So then we're gonna go over here. And then we're gonna go ahead and do build X. Okay. And we're gonna go from 01 to 02. Oh, I did that magic thing and it didn't work. Docker build X ls. Huh. Weird. Normally the magic works. And by normally the magic works, I mean it worked last time. God damn it. Worked last time. It is not working this time. Okay. let's go and do the proper setup because I don't know, whatever. We have buildx installed, we have CLI experimental installed, we have a new kernel, I believe. Actually, let's go. Yeah, 4.15. Sounds great. Sorry, yeah. Looks fine. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and do this. Yep, already installed. Great. That's installed. Okay. 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 I mean, I have this enabled elsewhere, but whatever. It's easier to just enable this. QEMU is not registered in bin formats MISC. Okay. QEMU is not. Let's go ahead uninstall. Sudo apt-get remove bin format support. Yeah. I don't. Guess. Let's go ahead and remove it. I don't know. Two point 11.11.1. Yeah, same version. Yeah, okay. So what version of update bin format do I have? 2.1.8. I have the same fucking version. Okay, here we go. This is some magic shit. I vaguely remember this from last time. fix QMU. Okay, bar lib bin formats. Where is underscore BE coming from? Damn it. Okay. So then we go ahead, we look at this. Okay. And so it says, so we do a head. What's the bash? How do I do a continue in a bash for loop? Bash for loop continue. Okay, so I guess what we'll just do is like if so maybe, who knows? Okay. Okay, this looks like it's good, I guess. Cool. That's some magic shit that worked. So I guess let's go ahead and make a new one. A new builder. And then Docker build xuse. My new builder. Docker build xls. Okay. My new builder. Oh, Docker build x use. Let's use Festival Tesla. Because now, that's got all the shit that I want. We've got ARM64 and all that stuff, so that's what we want to do. Sorry. Oh yeah, this is desktop, I think. Yeah, okay, let's try it. Docker build x dot, okay. Cool, and we're gonna go ahead and bump the version number to 02. Failed to... Okay, let's see what happens if we just ask this to build an AMD64 image. I don't... I don't know this error message. I guess that's confusing. Um, okay. Oh, interesting. Oh, okay, okay. Okay. So, oh wait, do I just not have a Docker file here? Yeah, okay. I need more coffee. And while we're here, what I'm gonna do is we're just gonna install the same stuff that we're installing inside the Docker container, so our versions will hopefully match. Um, oh, fuck, there's some shit that I probably don't need in there anymore. But it's probably, honestly, it's better to probably have the Python 3 header, dev headers installed, because someone's going to want to pip install something at some point. How are we doing? Okay, it says these are already installed. Pip please. Is there a conda install upgrade? Maybe it's -u, like in pip. Okay, conda install -h. Okay, and we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna ask it to update everything because we have a fresh install that we're making inside of the Docker containers, so that should be pretty fresh. Oh yeah, I don't have permission because that's opt conda and I'm not root. Cool beans. Okay. Oh. Let's take a look at which version of BLOSC we got. 1.70. Could have sworn python-blosc. Yeah, it's 1.9.2. Oh, I didn't specify the conduct forage channel. Maybe that's it. Okay, yeah, this looks like BLOSC is going to get updated. Although I'm a little bit confused. Unless is it? Okay, python-blosc is going to get updated to version 1.9.2. That's what I want. Okay. So we'll put this inside of our setup script for later. Oh, cool. And that actually worked. Or I mean by worked, it finished building the image. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back into our Dask examples, worker spec, and we're going to bump up the version. Okay, let's go ahead and put this inside of setup.sh. Okay, cool. Sounds fine. What was I gonna do? My brain is just probably run Jupyter Notebook. Oh, that's not the directory I want to launch it from at all. Yeah, shut down the notebook. Not the sketch directory. Okay. Okay. Let's see if this thing works. Why is there nothing here? I could have sworn that I had something in the notebook. Did it get like chomped on with the like overwrite? That would be annoying. Oh, there's just way too much shit in here. Okay, cool. Yeah, so we're just thrashing Chrome. Okay. Jupyter, notebook, sphere, output, command line. There we go. Cool. So oh, actually, I guess it ended up kernel. Okay, we're going to delete the existing pod because need that shit. And then, yeah. Restart and run all. Yeah, cool. That's what we want to do. And then, great. And now I want to get the logs of this CTL log section. Dask f. We'll wait, and hopefully something comes up soon. Okay, that's garbage, but okay. God damn it. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and hit stop. And so that didn't work. So it was not a version issue. And honestly, that makes sense. The misplaced optimism, I suppose. Let's go ahead and find that Dask Kubernetes, Dask Kubernetes, issues, okay. So I got the environments match. And so this is what I'm going to do. We're going to separate this off into 2 cells. What happens if I run this? Okay, cool. So we've got a connection, presumably. Right, and that's great. And if I run this, I don't know. Yeah, okay, it's the same shit. Okay, I got the environments to match. When I run when I run get back. I guess, wait. So now I click and then magic, okay. However, still get the looping registered to in strings. Registered to, and along with worker just doesn't have promise key. Messages and thing. Let me rephrase this. In my attempting to guess at what could be wrong, I'm thinking maybe a networking issue that's being swallowed up and reported as keys missing. Maybe needing a service installed, service configured. Maybe get service on the cluster. Don't see anything. Anything for Dask. Did that make sense? Or is this the wrong direction? Yep. Cool. Yeah, so I think really the problem that I'm running into here is just like, I think there's probably a deeper error message. Yeah. Let's do. No, not code. Quote. There we go. And the logs are the Cool. Because why not? Extra information is almost always better. So I'm not sure what's going on. Still, I thought it was as Quasi-Bean suggested, or Quasi-Ben suggested, that BLOSC was the problem, and we're getting compression. But I'm not seeing that the compression is LZ4 anyways, and I just I don't know. I wish there was like more information on how to debug this. But it's a Monday night. We'll come back to this probably. Well, maybe tomorrow. If Matt or Benjamin, if either of them have suggestions about what's going on. So thanks for joining me again. Welcome to the wonderful world of trying to get software to work on a configuration that other people haven't done yet, as far as I can tell. You tend to run into a lot of weird errors like this. So, that's life. I don't know. I was really hoping it was going to work, but realistically, I think that's part of being a software developer for me, is the misplaced optimism that today is totally going to be different, and that today is eventually different, but I believe that every day, which gives me the energy to try again every day. But today was not our day for success there. So we're going to wrap up now. Thanks for joining me, as always. I don't know. This is a long day. I hope y'all are doing as well as possible in our current environment. This world is something else.